Hello friends! Recently there was a video on how to trade with a bot in a volatile market. Today we will have the opposite video, how to trade with a bot in a non-volatile market. First of all, strange as it may seem, you should choose a pair with a good payout. Payouts are still good everywhere, but volatility is already quite small. British pound, Japanese yen. Looks good. In a non-volatile market, I'll trade 350, 400 and 500 bucks. Basically, not a lot of big money. Come on British pound, Japanese yen. I go into the bot, click on get a new signal. I select the trading pair and I select the time of the trade, 1 minute. I get the trading news and I get a sell signal. Right here, I open a sell trade. Because there was such an impulse movement and just a new candle just opened and I had time to enter the deal. The deal closed at the same level, so just my balance remained at zero. Nothing to worry about. I give again the same pair British pound, Japanese yen. I go to the bot again. Choose the trading pair and choose the time of the deal, 1 minute. And now I get a buy signal. Okay, I wait for a new candle and on the new candle I open a buy trade. Good second trade, closed in plus 5 points and took $304. And then the price went down. Let's go to another pair. Australian Canadian dollar looks good. Let's go for it. I go to the bot. I click get a new signal. I choose the out call. Yes, outcat. And the time of the deal is 1 minute. By the way, by your requests we have subordinated and now the bot shows 1 minute and I get a signal to go up. Let's open a deal right here because only a candle opened and immediately plus 6 points. But always remember that you should not be happy before the time, because the price can still go in the other direction, and also it can collide with some very powerful level from which it will get a very impulsive. Well, the trade closes in plus and brings me another $280. I will raise the bets up to $450. British pound Canadian dollar is a very good trade. Give it to me. I click on get a new signal. I picked the wrong pair. I picked the British pound dollar 53%. Well, come on, if you have chosen, then let's open the British pound and the regular dollar for 1 minute. Trading news gives the bot and I get a signal to sell. Okay, I wait for a new candle and open a sell trade. Volatility is small on the market now, but the candles are very impulsive and in both directions. That is, there is no volatility but the reaction to levels and ranges is very powerful. Super, $240 into my balance. Let's still choose the British pound Canadian dollar. I go to the bot, click on get a new signal, British pound Canadian dollar and trade time 1 minute, and I get a buy signal. Okay, I wait for a new candle and open a buy trade on it. A beautiful figure can come out in the end, plus $333. By the way, while waiting for the deal to close, I want to say that all the useful links will be in the description. A link to the trading bot, which you can take yourself. To use, just by clicking on the link. The bot is absolutely free, as it trades you can see on the screen right now. There will also be a link to a Telegram group with useful information, with useful news, and a link to the account where you can get support about the bot and ask there any question you want to know about trading. Another deal closes in the plus and brings me $333. Already $17,000 on the balance. A good result. The Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. I go to the bot. I select the outcuts. And the trade time is 1 minute. And I get a buy signal. Good. A new candle. I wait for it. And I open a buy trade. This trading pair was knocked out. It happens. It's a minus of low volatility, just a pair closed, and closed in the minus. I will close on another pair, British pound Japanese yen, $750 to cover this minus. I go to the bot, I get a new signal, choose British pound Japanese yen, and the trade time is 1 minute. I get trading news from the bot. And I get a sell signal. I open a sell trade on the new candle. If you're already trading on low volatility, just be ready for the fact that at any moment the pair can just be knocked out, so to speak, to close it, and it will be necessary to overlap. So just be ready for it. This trade closed at 0. Let's open on the British pound again. I'm going back to the bot. British pound Japanese yen 1 minute. And I get a sell signal. And I open a trade on the new candle. The bot interestingly gave first the signal and then the trading news, although it usually gives the opposite. Super great last candle brings me $650. In total, it turns out that for this video I got 2 zero trades. Again, this is due to low volatility, and one losing trade simply due to the fact that the pair closed at a very inopportune moment, but in general plus $1,500 about in this range. I earned. So let me remind you that all useful links will be in the description. The link to the trading bot. You can just take it for your own use and quietly earn with it. For all questions, write in the comments. That's all I have for today. I wish you a huge profit and success.